of grade 8, you're going to present your speech on World Cancer Day that falls on February 8, 2022. World Cancer Day is an international day marked on 4th February to raise awareness of cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection, and treatment. World Cancer Day is led by the Union for International Cancer Control to support the goals of the World Cancer Declaration, written in 2008. World Cancer Day is the one singular initiative under which the entire world can unite together in the fight against the global cancer epidemic. It takes place every year on 4th February. World Cancer Day aims to prevent millions of deaths each year by raising awareness and education about cancer and pressing governments and individuals across the world to take action against the disease. UICC continues to expand on the success and impact of the day and is committed to ensuring that year on year the event is seen and heard by more people around the world. UICC does this by developing a campaign that serves the different organizational priorities of its members worldwide. UICC offers tools and guidance to encourage its members organizations to run local cancer awareness campaigns that are aligned and adapted to the global World Cancer Day message. On an above country level, UICC works to seize digital, traditional and social media opportunities to raise public awareness of the day. Through the continued support of the members and key partners, World Cancer Day has firmly cemented itself in calendars across the world. This year's theme is Close the Care Gap. This World Cancer Day, we recognize the power of knowledge. We know that every single one of us has the ability to make a difference, large or small, and that together we can make a real progress in reducing the global impact of cancer. This 4th February, we call on you, whoever and wherever you are, to play your part in creating a cancer-free world. Thank you.